Want to know how to explore templates in Microsoft 365? So Microsoft 365 lets you create various Word files, presentations, and even Excel workbook and images through templates and much more. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can just simply explore it in just under a minute. So let's get right into it. Now first things first, on the left side you should be seeing navigation or the menu, just simply select that. And here you should be seeing create right below notebooks, just simply select it. And now once you have selected notebooks, here should be seeing more right beside edit and image. So now once you have selected more, here should be seeing start from a template. Here you can just simply select all templates where you can just simply explore it. Right here you should be seeing templates like charts with creations, Excel files, words, and even presentations, as you can see right here. So you can just simply like explore by selecting show all, and it should show you proper templates. It should range from presentations, planner trackers, flyers, budgets, and much more. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and tune in with us for more of these videos. See you in the next one.